Check! The vegetarian fish skin made of Vietnamese rice paper and seaweed becomes doubly crispy after frying. The rice paper forms a fluffy and crispy layer while the seaweed adds the fresh taste of the ocean, which is more fragrant and healthier than real fish skin. It can be done by deep frying or air frying, and it still maintains amazing crispness after cooling. Whether it is eaten alone as a snack, or crushed and mixed with rice or noodles, the salty and fragrant crunchy taste is so addictive that vegetarians and snack addicts are rushing to eat it. Who says vegetarian food is not delicious? Let's slap them in the face with this golden crispy vegetarian fish skin today. Ingredients are rice paper and seaweed. Fold the seaweed into half and then fold it down into a square. In fact, the main thing is to make it smaller than rice paper. Just make it like this. If it is a large piece of rice paper seaweed, you don't need to cut it and use the whole piece. Soak a piece of rice paper in water and place it on a plate. Place seaweed in rice paper. Repeat the same step for another piece of rice paper. Cover on seaweed. Cut or leave it as a whole piece at own preference. The rice paper will become sticky when it starts to soften, so carefully cut it into small pieces for later use. Cover baking plate with aluminium foil. Brush a layer of cooking oil on aluminium foil. Place rice paper on aluminium foil. Roast or air fryer for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. After it is roasted, you can easily remove the vegetarian fish skin by gently pushing it with a spoon.
So easy!
Vegan fish skin is ready to serve. When fried, rice paper puffs into an airy, honeycomb crispness with a satisfying snap, thinner than chips yet less greasy. The starch solidifies into lasting crunch even next day, while seaweed adds a salty umami layer that makes it irresistibly munchable. Optional to brush vegan fish skin with oyster sauce or hoisin before baking creates a glossy, sticky sweet glaze that mimics real seafood glaze, caramelized umami clinging to each crispy bubble, all without a drop of cholesterol. Seaweed's oceanic depth meets rice paper's crunch. Each bite bursts with briny umami and mineral notes, like distilled sea breeze. When fried, it develops a layered savoriness reminiscent of premium seafood snacks, elevated by a squeeze of lemon salt for addictive brightness. Proof that plants can rival the sea's bounty.
Here's that crispy sound. It's really delicious.
By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration.
I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right?
Let's all eat vegetarian food together. Vegetarian food is more fun and delicious than we imagined. Every time I am amazed by different vegetarian recipes, so I will quickly learn how to make them and share them with everyone. For friends who want to eat vegetarian food, in fact, vegetarian food is not boring at all and you won't get tired of it. Since I started eating vegetarian food, I feel that my health is getting better and better, and I love vegetarian food more and more. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference, whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.